If you're over 50 and wondering why your muscles seem to be disappearing despite your best efforts, I'm about to reveal something that might shock you. The real enemy isn't just skipping the gyps, sitting right there in your kitchen. 5 common foods that you probably eat every single day are quietly stealing your muscle mass, leaving you weaker, more tired, and at risk for a condition called sarcopenia. But here's the good news. I'm going to show you exactly what to eat instead to rebuild and protect your muscle. Stay with me, because number 3 will blow your mind. After 50, your body changes in ways that make muscle loss accelerate faster than you'd think. In fact, anywhere from 9 to 11% of adults over 60 experience sarcopenia. That's the medical term for age-related muscle degeneration. And it's not just about looking fit. Losing muscle affects your metabolism, increases your risk of falls and fractures, and dramatically impacts your quality of life. But here's what most doctors won't tell you. Certain foods act like muscle kryptonite, triggering inflammation and blocking the very processes your body needs to maintain strength. Today, we're exposing the 5 worst culprits and giving you powerful alternatives that can actually reverse muscle loss. Muscle drainer number 1. Processed sugary foods, the first muscle destroyer hiding in plain sight. Processed foods loaded with added sugar. I'm talking about cookies, pastries, sweetened cereals, candy bars, and those healthy granola bars that are really just candy in disguise. Here's what's happening inside your body. When you consume excessive sugar, it triggers the release of inflammatory messengers called cytokines. This inflammatory cascade interferes with muscle protein synthesis, the process your body uses to build and repair muscle tissue. But there's more. High sugar intake causes insulin resistance over time, and insulin plays a crucial role in shuttling amino acids into your muscle cells. When that system breaks down, your muscles literally can't access the building blocks they need to stay strong. Research published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition confirms that processed sugars are directly linked to accelerated muscle wasting. The alternative: swap those sugar bombs for whole fruits like berries, apples, and oranges. They contain natural sugars alongside fiber, which slows absorption and prevents those inflammatory spikes. Even better, pair them with a handful of almonds or Greek yogurt for a protein boost that signals muscle growth instead of muscle breakdown. Muscle drainer number 2. Refined grains. Number 2 might be the most shocking because it's hiding in foods we've even told are healthy. White bread, white rice, regular pasta, and most commercial cereals, these refined grains have been stripped of their nutrients and fiber, leaving behind pure starch that acts almost like sugar in your body. Here's the science. Refined carbohydrates spike your blood sugar rapidly, leading to inflammation and contributing to insulin resistance. But the real problem for your muscles? These empty calories provide no protein, no leucine, and none of the amino acids your aging muscles desperately need. You refilling up on food that offers 0 muscle-building nutrients while simultaneously triggering processes that break muscle down. Studies show that people who consume high amounts of refined grains have significantly lower muscle mass compared to those eating whole grains. It's not just about what you re-eating it's about what you re-not eating because you re-too full from nutritionally bankrupt foods. The alternative: make the switch to whole grains like quinoa, brown rice, oats, and whole wheat bread. Better yet, try foods like lentils and chickpeas. They're not just whole grains, they're protein powerhouses. A serving of lentils gives you 18 grams of protein plus fiber that keeps you satisfied while feeding your muscles what they actually need. Muscle drainer number 3. Excessive alcohol now. I know this one might sting, but we need to talk about alcohol. That nightly glass of wine or those weekend beers. They're doing more damage than you realize. Alcohol is a direct muscle toxin, and after 50, your body becomes even more vulnerable to its effects. Here's what happens. Alcohol interferes with protein synthesis, the process where your body builds muscle. It also disrupts your sleep architecture, preventing you from getting into deep REM sleep where most muscle repair and growth hormone release occurs. On top of that, alcohol is inflammatory, dehydrating, and it reduces your body's ability to absorb critical nutrients, like vitamin D and B vitamins that are essential for muscle health. Research shows that chronic alcohol consumption is associated with significant muscle wasting. And here's the kicker after 50. Your liver and kidneys don't process alcohol as efficiently, meaning even moderate drinking can have amplified negative effects. The alternative: if you enjoy an evening drink, try swapping alcohol for green tea, which contains compounds called catechins that may actually support muscle health. Or make a protein smoothie with tart cherry juice. Cherries contain anti-inflammatory compounds, and the protein provides muscle-building amino acids. You get the ritual and relaxation without the muscle-draining consequences. Muscle drainer number 4. Processed and red meats. Here's where things get controversial. Red meat, and especially processed meats like bacon, hot dogs, sausage, and deli meats, are inflammatory foods that can accelerate muscle loss. Now, I'm not saying all meat is bad. Quality matters enormously. The problem with processed meats is they're loaded with sodium, preservatives, and inflammatory compounds called AGEs, advanced glycation end products, that form during high heat processing. These AGEs trigger oxidative stress and inflammation throughout your body, including in your muscle tissue. Studies link high consumption of processed meats to increased levels of inflammatory markers that directly correlate with muscle loss. Even excessive red meat consumption can be problematic because it's high in saturated fat and can contribute to an acidic environment in your body. Research shows that a more alkaline diet, one rich in plants, is associated with better muscle preservation. The alternative: choose wild-caught fish instead, especially fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines. These are loaded with omega-3 fatty acids that have been shown to increase muscle protein synthesis at any age. Studies show that omega-3 south, combined with resistance training, can increase muscle strength more than exercise alone. If you want to keep eating meat, opt for organic, grass-fed options and pair them with plenty of vegetables to balance the acidity. Muscle drainer number 5. Diet sodas and artificially sweetened beverages. The final muscle destroyer is sneaky because people think they're making a healthy choice. Diet sodas, artificially sweetened drinks, and those zero-calorie energy drinks might save you calories, but they're costing you muscle. Here's why. Artificial sweeteners can disrupt your gut microbiome, the trillions of bacteria in your digestive system that play a crucial role in nutrient absorption and inflammation regulation. A damaged microbiome means you're not absorbing the protein, vitamins, and minerals your muscles need. Plus, these beverages are highly acidic, which can contribute to an inflammatory state in your body. Recent research also suggests that artificial sweeteners may interfere with insulin sensitivity, the same problem we see with actual sugar. And without proper insulin function, your muscles can't efficiently take up amino acids and glucose for energy and repair. The alternative: switch to water infused with lemon, cucumber, or berries. Even better, make a protein-rich smoothie with unsweetened almond milk, protein powder, spinach, and frozen berries. You're getting hydration plus muscle-building nutrients. Or try unsweetened green tea, which provides antioxidants that combat inflammation while supporting metabolic health. There you have it, the 5 foods secretly draining your muscle after 50. Along with powerful alternatives that can help you rebuild and protect your strength. Remember, sarcopenia isn't inevitable. With the right nutrition choices, focusing on high-quality protein, whole foods, and anti-inflammatory options combined with resistance training, you can maintain and even build muscle well into your later years. The science shows that 25 to 30 grams of protein per meal, especially sources rich in leucine like fish, eggs, and legumes, can make a dramatic difference. Start making these swaps today, and your future self will thank you. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more evidence-based health content, and drop a comment telling me which food surprised you most. Stay strong, stay healthy, and I'll see you in the next one.